2 dogs. It's 5 pets. Yeah. What? Ah, okay. We have 3 dogs, 2 chicks and 1. I have 2 dogs. I have Bucky. Rocky, Mumu, Bruno. This is Nibani. Say hello to Nibani. Call him Easy. This look like the fuck. His name look like in Roblox. Patricia. It is in Roblox. I think he's addicted to Roblox. I forgot how to speak English. No.
This is the one is playing Minecraft. No, you should change. We should change.
This is me.
No,
this is
mine.
This is Minecraft. This is
Roblox.
Roblox. We told them. Okay. Look. Look guys. It will finish it. Look. Guys, look. You love so much. Hey now. No way, bro. No way. Yo, what the fuck are you singing? Come here, bro. Hey, come here. Put your chair here. Guys, I'm gonna pick the chair. I'm gonna put it here. Let's see now our pet.
I will make this my baby.
No, that's not petty. Wait, he will put on your. Thank you. Oh, did I just put?
Roblox has so many players.
And Minecraft is the owner on the Roblox. Oh, in the Minecraft, I don't think so. And then they are sleeping. So, be quiet. You have one of those? Comment down below and like and subscribe if you have one of those pets of this. We have spider. 6 are dogs. We have bulldog. Okay.
I have one question.